Update on strip tail bar and guidance trouble. Friday they were here for 8 hours. Couldn't get it to work. Found out that the computer's bad, so they're coming back today and Monday. Put a new computer in it and try it, but the worst part is I maybe have lost all my guidance lines, which is a real bummer. But luckily, I talked to somebody, they said with the ag leader in there, I could get my lines off my application maps. So I hope that's the case. Otherwise, I'm pretty much screwed. And the other bad thing is it's 14 degrees out, so I think we're maybe done. 180 acres to go and didn't quite make it. Talking 50 on tomorrow, but we'll see how it goes. First I got to get this up and running. The latest update on the strip till. I got running about 5 o'clock last night. I am still not up to 100% on my GPS. The auto steer is working, but it's not remembering the lines. But I decided it's going to get pretty cold now. It's the day before Thanksgiving. I'm just going to get the stripping done. I got 120 acres to do today. 2 different fields total. And might just have to drive the Ranger over them sometime this winter or spring. Get my lines back. But it sounds like they saved all my previous lines, which is really good. That's a plus. Well, we're wrapping up this 215 acre field. Got 20 acres up on top of the hill here, wrapped by terraces. Got them all filled in. So far I can set a line and use it, but once I go back into my monitor it won't save it, so we're still not collecting lines, but we're getting her done. Plan B is to put a globe on the Ranger and drive over these, and don't have to do them all, just one line for each different direction, and then import it into the monitor. I guess is what we're gonna have to do. So we're getting there. I got 23 acres by our house, and then we got everything stripped. It's pretty lucky that we got another 2 really nice days. It was 52 yesterday and mid-40s today, dropping into the 20s tonight. But then again, next week is another day of 50, so that'd be a good wash day. Get it cleaned up and get the tank cleaned out anyway. Well, there's the last field. Done stripping for 2021. Got all my fertilizer on. Now just to teach the planter to find the right spot to go next spring. Quick update on the strip till bar and the guidance. I have to give a shout out to Tyler from our Case IH dealer. He somehow found all my lines up in the cloud. So we got all my lines back and we have them on a memory stick. So now we have them captured. So that is a great deal. As I said before, we did get done strip tilling. It's supposed to be mid-50s on Thursday. Today is Monday. So that is going to be wash day for this rig. We got to vacuum out the tank and wash the bar. Today is Tuesday, November 30th. That's tomorrow's project. 57 degrees, be a good day to wash that. I am pulling the centers out of the bins and making sure everything's okay. Everything so far is okay, so that's good. Always makes the guy nervous so you know what's in there. get the fines out of the middle, get some air through it. Except 57 degrees is not normal for here. So I'm going to be waiting until this weekend, turn the fans on, get down to the 30s and 20s. Cool her down. You ever have those days where you just want to haul a couple loads of corn? Check your tires. That was a nice one. It was all the way in. Yeah. What do they always say? There's always something. Wash day. Got a surprise coming tomorrow. I'll have to show you guys. Case isn't very happy about it, but what do you do?
Cleaning out the strip toolbar today.
Having fun.
Ain't nothing a shop vac can't fix.
Well, here comes the chemical guy. Trying to sell chemicals today, huh? So I said there was a surprise coming tomorrow. Yeah. Green Globe. Been having trouble with my guidance with Case. They run a cellular. You gotta run a cellular plan for their correction. And everybody knows what cellular service is like. So whenever you lose your cell signal, you lose your guidance. So I bought a 4640 John Deere monitor and a Globe. And I think I'm gonna be switching the combine and my 540 over to this too. I mean, it's not cheap, but when you lose your signal, you lose your yield data on the combine and everything else. So we're gonna slowly start switching stuff over.